Automation Direct is proud to offer Epson LabelWorks PX series label printers for all your labeling needs. Each of the 4 models allow for portable label printing anywhere. Design your labels directly using the multifunction keyboard, using the Epson Label Editor software, or design and print directly from your mobile device. Print on a wide variety of colors on adhesive or magnetic tape, and even directly on heat shrink tubing. When it comes to label printing for your next management or organizational project at any budget, Automation Direct and Epson LabelWorks has you covered. These rugged, intuitive printers are designed with the user in mind and come with a lifetime warranty. Learn more at AutomationDirect.com/labeling. Click here for more Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.